In this chapter, we'll learn a few basic concepts you will need to use the JSON2Video API. The first one is the movie. The movie is the final result of the use of the API and is materialized with the generation of a video file in MP4 format. Movies are composed of scenes and elements.
The scenes define a segment of the movie similar to slides in a PowerPoint document. Scenes are an easy way of organizing the content in your movie, as you do with slides. Using scenes is not mandatory, but using scenes simplifies maintaining and extending the movie template.
Finally, the elements are the real things you can see and hear in your movie. These are images, videos, text animations, audio, voiceover, and more. Each scene can contain multiple elements, and the movie can also contain elements directly. We will see now why this is helpful.
Scenes play one after the other and cannot be overlaid by other scenes. As we saw, each scene contains one or multiple elements, like images, texts, or videos. Elements in a scene can be played at the same time and overlap with each other. And finally, the movie can contain elements as well. These movie elements play along with and may overlay the scenes and are specially useful for watermarks, background music, or subtitles.
You can decide which elements are seen in front and which are seen in the background. The first element in the list sits at the very bottom of the pile, and the last element at top. It follows the same principle as HTML elements and differs from Photoshop or other video editing software that usually work in the reverse way.
You can also decide when an element becomes visible and when it becomes hidden with three main properties: start, duration, and extra time. Start defines the number of seconds since the beginning of its container. This could be a scene or the movie. Duration defines the number of seconds the element will be visible. Extra time adds additional seconds to element when the element is already hidden.
With JSON2Video, you don't need to know in advance the length of your assets like videos or audios. Setting the duration to auto, the duration will be set to the real duration of the asset. For example, if a video is 15 seconds long, setting duration to auto is like setting the duration to 15. This is the default value for the duration property.
If you set the duration to a number value in seconds, the asset will be trimmed to that duration. For example, if a video is 15 seconds long and you set the duration to 10 seconds, you will trim the last 5 seconds of the video.
In case you want a video or audio to adjust to the length of its container, you can use the value container. This is especially useful for background music that is longer than your video. Let's explain this example. We have a 20 seconds long video inside of a scene. If the scene does not have an explicit duration set, it will last enough to contain all its elements. In this case, the video forces the scene to be 20 seconds long. The audio has a duration set to container. This means that the audio duration is trimmed to the duration of the container scene, that is, 20 seconds.
Thanks for watching this video, and don't miss the other video tutorials.